Our Father, hey God, I dey live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things where my guys they do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Otedola no do paso, Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink capsule? Despite no do paso, Ajipon no do paso, Bolare no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink capsule? I dey clear my line go on daily basis. Things I've been through got me feeling like Matrix. I know numbers, I good in mathematics. It's all about the papers, got you for no D's. Notice, see, I not be novice. Back I'm in the building, I made the wrong things. Trying to be a good example to these young kids, my own kids. Something like feel like trumpets. I get big man money, waffle hard side dish. Oatmeal in the morning, not gari and fried fish. The fattest, I'm dope and classic. Got my basic, check the book of Moses with my glasses. Focus on my grasses, I'm a mad piece. I don't speak jack by janties. I replace self the track before I fly. I'm not gonna let anybody tell me so I know the track. I live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things with my guys that do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Otedola no do paso, Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink capsule? My matter did their head like say na kwekere. They say you tell me sabi omo kekere. Got it. Yeah, so I got a mail. I just had the bang out the door, and it was a mail. It's UK mail, and I think I've gotten my provisional license. Yeah, let's see what it is really. I got two, so I probably got my BRP back, and there's a card on this, there's a card on this. So let's see what it is. Ooh la la! I got my provisional driver's license. Wow. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. So you remember the idea I took the other day? Yeah. This is it. I'll let you see now. I'm just trying to preserve important information. Yeah, so my passport the other day. Yeah, this is it. How long is it? It took only like seven days. 7 days. And what is this? Oh, okay. So this is my BRP. And my provisional driver's license. So I'm glad What to do next? Okay, let me read through. One thing I always like to tell you what you need to do next. So now it says important information about your driver's license. Check your driver's license carefully. If your personal details, signature, or vehicle category are incorrect, please return it. If you're a registered keeper of a vehicle and you change your address, you must update your V5 registrations with your logbook. It's quick and simply tell us online if you do not update your address. Okay. What to do now? Change address on your driver's license. You must tell us if your address on your license has been changed. Always make sure you use your official. Apply with this later by completing there. Only use this later if you have not applied to change your address online. If you cannot apply online, please fill in the address below and send this letter with a postcode license. Okay, that's if I change my address. Just in case I change my address. Okay, next step is get the official learning material. Online code. Get ready to pass with Mama Lady. So I need to write exam, guys. It's time for theory, and after theory, practical. Then zoom. Want to pass your theory test first time? Learn from the people who set the test. I need to write exam. Okay, I'll learn from them. Oh, I need to hit the gym now, guys. Time to break some sweat. So, these days it has been raining cats and dogs. And listen, man, in this country, you need a big file organizer. You know why? Because documentations are very important. So I got this big one. It organizes all of my documents, because you will never know. They might just ask you for something, one document of 1945, which you thought it wasn't important, and you might have thrown it away. So it's very important. So I've started keeping all of my files and documents intact. So the beauty about this is it has different compartments, different section. It even have a label. You just have to put, for instance, it has this alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, and all of that. So you can use the T for tax. Just put it here. You know, all your tax and document regarding tax are over here. And also C for cars. So everything concerning your cars can be here. You know, it's cute. It's very cute. Documentation is very important. So now that is done, I need to hit the gym. I see you when I get there.